Hi, I'm Frank, and I like to do it myself. Today we're doing something a little different from cars. I have a Sea-Doo Switch, which is a nice little pontoon boat, and I'm going to add some removable fishing rod holders. So I'll show you what I did, and hopefully if you have a Switch and looking to do the same type of thing, you'll like this. This is looking at my fishing rod holders that are attached to the mounting plate, the LinQ system mounting plate. As we get a little closer, basically I took two 3-rod holders that I got from West Marine, and where the normal mounting plate is, I just bolted with stainless steel bolts through the existing openings in the LinQ mounting plate. On the back, as you look straight down, they're offset. So now I can get 6 fishing rod holders in. I have them a little bit offset to the side, and of course offset vertically as well. What I used here was just a sprinkler system extender, which is of heavy-duty PVC. I cut it at an angle so that it would move the mounting over. So now when I'm looking straight down, it's offset a little bit, and also rises it up. So when I have all 6, they won't be running into each other. This is the LinQ attachment. As it goes in, we'll clip it, that'll lock it into place. There's one on the top and one on the bottom. So this piece just clips right in here. And there you have it. And here we are with the rods.